Let me warn you about something I wish I knew years ago. We've all heard that carrots are great for your eyes, but what about your skin? Here's the truth. Your glowing skin, your fine lines, your breakouts, they might all come down to one thing: how your body handles vitamin A. And here's the real shocker. Not all vitamin A is the same. There's plant-based vitamin A from carrots, and there's retinol, the powerful version hiding in your skincare products. But which one actually gives you plumper, smoother, clearer skin without the damage? Let us find out, because your skin might be missing out on the right kind of vitamin A. Hi everyone, it's your name. And today, I'm sharing a very personal discovery. I used to think eating healthy and using natural skincare was enough. But when I started comparing carrot, vitamin A versus retinol, I realized I was doing something that might have been slowing down my skin recovery for years. This is not just another skincare video. This is a warning and also a guide. Because your skin's glow depends on how you balance these two forms of vitamin A. Let's start simple. Vitamin A isn't just one thing. It's a family of nutrients. In food, like carrots, pumpkins, and sweet potatoes, you get beta-carotene in skincare products like retinol serums or retinoid creams. You get retinol, or retinoic acid. They all belong to the same family, but they work very differently inside your body and on your skin. Your liver must convert beta-carotene from carrots into active vitamin A, retinol. That means if your body isn't converting well, you could eat all the carrots in the world, still have dull, dry skin. And that's the first hidden warning. Let us go over the 5 bad things. The 5 skin traps most people don't realize about vitamin A. Each of these can secretly age your skin, cause breakouts, or block your glow. Number 1. Not all vitamin A reaches your skin. You might think your skin gets the benefits from the carrots you eat, but most of it goes to your organs first. Your body prioritizes your heart, liver, and eyes, not your face. So, if you rely only on carrots or plant-based sources, your skin might be the last to get any vitamin A support. You'll still be healthy, but your face might stay dry, uneven, or slow to heal. That's why some people say, I eat healthy, but my skin still looks tired. It's not your diet, it's how vitamin A is used. Number 2. Beta-carotene conversion drops with age. Here's something most dermatologists won't mention up front. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at converting beta-carotene to active retinol. So what worked in your 20s might not work in your 40s or 50s. That's why older skin often feels rougher, thinner, or takes longer to recover from sun exposure, even if you're re-eating your vegetables every day. Your skin isn't lazy, it's underpowered. Number 3. Retinol can burn or overpeel your skin. On the other hand, retinol, the skincare superstar, comes with strong warnings. Yes, it can help fade fine lines, speed up cell turnover, and even fight acne. But if you overuse it, or mix it with strong exfoliants, you can cause peeling, redness, irritation, or even break your skin barrier. I've seen it. I've felt it. That sting and dryness the next morning. That's your skin saying too much. So, even though retinol is active, it's also aggressive. It demands care and patience. Number 4. Synthetic retinol can make skin sun-sensitive. Another bad thing. Most retinol products are synthetic. They can make your skin extra sensitive to sunlight, meaning you might be fixing fine lines at night, but undoing it all during the day under UV rays. Without SPF protection, retinol can actually speed up photoaging, the exact thing you're trying to prevent. So, using retinol without sunscreen is like mopping the floor while the tap is still running. And finally, number 5. Overlapping vitamin A. Sources can overload your body. Here's a big warning. Taking vitamin A supplements, eating lots of fortified foods, and using strong retinol creams all at once can push your vitamin A levels too high. 2. Unlike vitamin C, vitamin A is fat-soluble. That means it builds up in your liver and can cause dryness, headaches, and skin flaking. More is not better. Balance is everything. Now, let's flip it. Let us talk about the 5 good things, the real skin healing powers of vitamin A, when used the right way. These are what can truly change your skin texture, your glow, and your confidence. First, vitamin A boosts skin renewal naturally. Whether from food or creams, Vitamin A tells your skin to make new cells. That means fewer clogged pores, smoother texture, and faster healing. It's like pressing refresh on your face. If you've ever noticed your skin looking fresher after eating lots of carrots or using a gentle retinol, that's your skin responding to that vitamin A magic. But remember, you don't need harsh doses. Consistency beats intensity. Second, carrot-based vitamin A is gentle but effective over time. Beta-carotene from carrots is naturally self-regulating. Your body only converts what it needs. That's why you'll never overdose on carrots. You just get a slow, safe glow from within. Carrots also come with antioxidants that protect your skin from UV and pollution damage. So while retinol works fast, carrots work safely. They build resilience from the inside out. Think of retinol as a high-speed train, and carrots as the scenic route that always gets you there, without burning out. Third, retinol targets fine lines and uneven tone quickly. This is where retinol shines. If you've been battling dullness, fine lines, or spots, retinol works directly on your skin's cell turnover. It encourages collagen production, the protein that keeps your face plump and youthful. Tease, like giving your skin a mini reboot while you sleep. But remember, start slow. A precise amount, twice a week, then build up. Your skin needs time to adapt. Fourth, combining carrots and retinol can create perfect balance. Here's the real beauty hack. You don't have to choose. Eat your carrots for internal support. Use gentle, low-strength retinol for external treatment. Together, they form the perfect skincare partnership. Carrots feed your skin from within. Retinol refines it from the outside. It's balance, nature, and science, hand in hand. And fifth, vitamin A restores glow and confidence. This isn't just about beauty. It's about confidence. Healthy, glowing skin makes you feel awake, strong, and alive. When your skin starts healing faster, when it reflects light again, you feel that inner lift. That's what real vitamin A power looks like. It's not a filter. It's your body doing what it was always meant to do. Renew. So, the next time you look at a carrot or a retinol serum, you'll know they're not competitors, but partners. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Note: don't forget to subscribe for more skincare truths. See you next time. So, let me tell you what really pushed me to make this video. A few months back, I hit a wall with my skin. I was eating super clean, loads of veggies, you know the drill. But my skin felt tight, dry, and just ... thin. It was so confusing. I was doing everything by the book, or so I thought. After some serious digging, I had a light bulb moment. My body's beta-carotene conversion rate might be low. This meant all those healthy carrots and sweet potatoes weren't actually giving my skin the active vitamin A it was craving. So I made two tiny, but powerful changes. First, I introduced a gentle 0.1% retinol serum into my routine, just twice a week. Nothing crazy. Second, every morning I started eating one raw carrot. But here's the key. I paired it with a little bit of healthy fat, like some avocado or a drizzle of olive oil, to boost absorption. And you know what? Within 3 weeks, I could feel the difference. My skin was smoother. It looked brighter. It wasn't a miracle. It was balance. That's when it clicked for me. Skincare isn't about chasing the latest trend or finding some magic cream. It's about understanding what your body and skin truly need and then giving it to them, both from the inside and the out. If you're feeling inspired and want to start today, here's a really simple plan you can follow. In the morning, it's all about feeding your skin from within. Eat 1 carrot, or maybe a small serving of pumpkin or sweet potato. And don't forget to add a spoonful of a healthy fat source. Think avocado, olive oil, or a few nuts. This is crucial for helping your body absorb that vitamin A. And of course, finish with a gentle moisturizer that has at least SPF 30. We can't forget sun protection. Ben, for your nighttime routine, keep it simple. Cleanse your face gently to wash away the day. A couple of nights a week and, I mean only twice a week to start, use a pie-sized amount of a retinoid or retinoid cream. A little goes a long way. Always follow that up with a calming, hydrating moisturizer to soothe your skin. on a weekly basis. Exfoliate just once with a mild product. Please, never mix strong acids like AHAs or BHAs on the same night you use retinol. That's just asking for irritation. And remember the basics that we so often overlook. Sleep and hydration are just as important. Your skin does its most important repair work while you're resting. So, drink your water and get those Okay, before we wrap up, let's do a quick fire round of the 5 most important warnings. This is where so many people go wrong, so listen closely. 1. Don't mix too many active ingredients. Retinol plus strong acids is a recipe for a red, angry face. Keep it simple. 2. Never ever skip sunscreen. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the sun, so an SPF 30 or higher is non-negotiable every single day. 3. Don't go overboard with supplements. Too much vitamin A can build up in your system, so always talk to a doctor before adding any new pills to your regimen. 4. Don't expect overnight miracles. Real, lasting change takes time. Skin cell turnover is a cycle, so be patient and consistent for at least a few weeks. And 5, the most important one, don't just copy someone else's routine. Your body's conversion rate, your skin's tolerance, it's all unique to you. Your skin is personal, so treat it that way. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and diving deep into the world of vitamin A. Found this helpful? I'd be so grateful if you'd hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based skincare advice. See you in the next one. 2. Alright, let's wrap this up and bring it all together. What have we learned today? First, vitamin A from carrots, which is beta-carotene, is your gentle inside-out superstar. It's safe, it builds your skin's resilience, and it gives you that subtle, healthy glow that starts from within. Then you have retinol. This is the active, fast-acting form of vitamin A that works from the outside in. It's the powerhouse that helps resurface your skin, tackling texture and fine lines head-on. So, who wins? The answer is, they both do. It's not a competition, it's a partnership. You need both. One to nourish your skin from the inside, and one to renew it from the outside. Why is this balance so crucial? Because using one without the other can lead to problems. 2. Much aggressive retinol without the nourishing support of beta-carotene can cause irritation, dryness, and a compromised skin barrier. On the other hand, relying only on dietary vitamin A won't give you those dramatic surface-level renewal benefits. The magic happens when you use them together, slowly and steadily. This approach gives you the most beautiful, lasting results without overwhelming your skin. Think of it this way. Eating carrots is like laying a strong, healthy foundation for a house. It makes everything sturdy and resilient. Applying retinol is like polishing the floors and painting the walls. It gives you that perfect, smooth finish. You need both the solid structure and the beautiful surface to have a truly stunning home, right? It's the exact same for your skin. Together, they bring back your natural, healthy shine. So, if you've been feeling frustrated, like your skincare routine just isn't cutting it, maybe the problem isn't your products, yet. Maybe it's all about your vitamin A balance. Your face is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. You have to feed it right, treat it gently, and protect it daily. And please, don't rush the process or chase every new trend you see online. A true sustainable glow takes time, but I promise you, it is so worth the patience. The next time you reach for that expensive serum, take a moment to remember that the humble carrot on your plate might just be your skin's secret best friend, doing just as much good work from the inside, because at the end of the day, healthy skin doesn't start in a jar. It starts with understanding what your skin truly needs. And now, you know the real truth about vitamin A. If you found this video helpful and it cleared up some confusion, do me a favor and hit that like button. Share it with a friend who might be struggling with dull or sensitive skin. They'll thank you for it. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into facial health. Your glow deserves care and clarity, not more confusion. Take care of your face and take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video.